I'm recording now. I'm recording. This video's already gonna suck so much dick. Alright. Alex, Alex. You see Adam in his natural habitat. We see him. He may, if he does not find a mate, he will not survive the night. I said if you do not find a mate soon, you will not survive the night. No, I did not say vape. Alright, let's go back to shaky ass gameplay of a phone. Out of a phone again. Oh man. Oh, he got at least like, what did you actually get? I wasn't ready. Oh, he got like 3rd place. 3rd place is good. Third place good. Alright.
I'm trying to get this.
You trying to get that?
I'm trying to get this. But I was so close.
Yeah.
No, we're doing this ironically.
Yes, totally.
Oh, what should I buy, bro? Oh my god!
What? Oh, is that a moon from Mario? The Odyssey?
Oh, it's the...
Is that the moon from Mario Odyssey? Bro, is that moon?
Alright,
there's Monster
do?
Mario.
Oh yeah, I was gonna go into the shop. What should I get? What should I get?
Drugs.
No.
Hard cocaine. I don't know. What the fuck's that Yoshi? Oh, that's like $1,000. I don't fucking know. Get something. Oh no!
Everyone saw my games.
Your games. More like gays. It took me like 5 minutes to pan over. It like went over Alex's face. So weird. Bro, is that Shy Guy? Bro, the Shy Guy. Bro, it's Shy Guy.
Bruh.
My glasses fell off. I can't see. I'm blinded. Now I'm recording. I'm recording milk. Let's record the milk.
Yeah, you'll be 1st place over me.
Alex, you gotta do something funny with that milk right now.
Slurp it down like Skate Daddy.
Mind of murderer.
Inside the mind of an autistic man. I feel
too
like...
active. Alright,
Shy Guy sounds
Adam,
like...
do something funny now. Everyone's done something funny except for you. Show me gameplay. Bro, you getting those dubskis, bro? Bro, get some dubskis. I like how greasy my camera is. Not greasy, it's just so bad. It's like, it looks like it's greasy. It's not greasy though. It's not greasy. Yes.
Android. I know, but Android users are allowed to make fun of other Android users. I just hit myself with my own green shell.
Bro.
I did it.
Bro.
I did it.
He did it. Bro, did it.
Apple. Give me your apple.
Fucking right now. Give me the fucking apple.
Minecraft.
That's like the worst apple I've ever seen. It's so pale. It's like
the
one end's like
the core is probably like this way in.
It's probably just
I'm gonna bite it and I'm gonna eat a seed.
It's just one big seed. It's like a pen.
And then an apple tree is gonna grow in me, bro. Look it, I finally did it. Oh,
Bro, we got the moon. Got the moon, bro.
Star, you fucking idiot.
Exactly.
The moon is a star, okay?
Yeah.
Finally, I can actually go
Wait, no,
into-
it literally is a star,
I
bro.
said the moon.
Yeah, it's a fucking star, dude. It's a star, dude. Ooh. Ooh. Bro, everyone's gonna think this video is so not good.
Scuffed.
It's so bad. Here we go, you play
My
Mar.
fat fingers like, hey, I'm here. Who's ready to fucking party?
Who's ready to fucking Mario Party?
Oh.
I got really zoomed in on this one. Hey. Do 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 Mario Funny. Well, what did he do with my spaghetti tacos? Oh yes. He's a new initiate, by the way. We're initiating him into the Moist Boys. Yeah. Say hello to the new member of the Moist Boys. Do something funny. Alright, that's
By the way, I did all the channel art.
that's phony.
Yeah.
He did channel art.
I did.
I don't remember if he's in the Moist Boys. No, he's not. In the Moist Boys. He isn't. I'll record him then.
What
so.
if your
He's on YouTube.
what if your teeth was flaccid?
I would love if my teeth went flaccid, then I could just like grab things with them. Uh oh. Oh yeah.
Ouchie! Ow! 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 Ow!
Alright. We're gonna do some epic we're gonna do a review of my Chromebook.
Oh, I actually hit someone? Wait,
It's
what?
off.
Yeah, the red one's home on.
Oh,
Bombs.
I thought it was
I got
dead.
arrested for this. Uh-oh.
Alright, as you can see, Chromebook sucks. Get better, Nintendo.
Get on my way, you fucking dinosaur bitch.
It's being violent again.
You
All right.
dino fuck.
That's perfect.
Piss off, you dino fuck.
Alright. I'm gonna stand up really quick. I'm gonna record what Adam's doing. Record what everyone's doing on their phone. No! My umbrella. Bro, what you doing, bro? How bad are you at Mario Kart? Oh, you got second place. Bro, you only got in second place when everyone else got in fourth and third place. You're so bad at Mario Kart. Alex. No!